Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are from Group 3. We'll present the result of our discussion about brown Planthopper in rice. To start the presentation, I will introduce our group members. Members of Group 3, VALENTINO EDWIN PUTRA with number study 61, Muhammad IZYACH WIBOWO with number study 62, ROLIS APRILIAWATI study 71, Amanda with number study 73, and ANGGITO SETYO DEWANTO with number study 74. Okay, we will start the presentation. Brown stem planters. Brown stem planter is the pest of rice plant that attacks by sucking the liquid from the stem of rice plants. This pest can multiply quickly and easily adapt to from new biotypes. In addition, this pest also transmits empty draft virus, grass draft virus type 1, and grass draft virus type 2. Next.
Life cycle. Brown Planthopper reproduce sexually. Prelaying period is 3 until 4 days for Dasyptera and 3 until 8 days for Macroptera. Usually, the eggs are placed at the base of the leaf midrib, but if the population is high, then they are placed at the end of the leaf midrib. In one group of eggs consists 3 until 21 eggs. Male can lay 100 until 500 eggs. The eggs hatch 7 until 10 days later, and young leaf hoppers called nymphs appear with a lifespan of 12 until 15 days, and after this phase, they become adult planthoppers. In the development of its life, the brown planthopper has 3 stages of growth, namely the egg, nymph, and adult stage.
Nymphs underwent 5 instar and average time required to complete the nymph period was 12.82 days. The first form is a Macroptera, long wing, which is a brown planthopper that has normal forelegs and hind wings. The second form is Brachyptera with pygmy wings, which are adult brown planthoppers that have forewing and hind wings that grow abnormally. Especially the hind wings are very rudimentary. Newly hatched nymphs are within in color and gradually turn brown. The nymph stage occurs 5 times of molting, and the time required for its instar is 2 until 4 days. And sampling and monitoring. Sampling can be done by taking samples using subplots or plots. Sampling consistent of 5 plots per each plot determine 5 subplots or plots spread diagonally with size of 2.5 meter, 5 meter. On each subplot of the experiment was taken 5 samples. Plants randomly moving every week. That there was 25 samples in plots per plots. Parameters observed in this study include population density of brown planthopper and intensity of pest attack brown planthopper.
Sampling and monitoring. The collection of brown planthoppers in the field was carried out by direct observation. Then the population of brown planthoppers was calculated. The brown planthopper found was immediately put into a preparation bottle containing an ethanol solution, or 70% alcohol, using a small brush for further counting. Observation of the intensity of the external attack was carried out by observing the physical form of the affected plant, especially the grain of the plant. From the visual, the symptoms of brown planthopper attack can be recognized by the presence of yellowing leaves. This observation was carried out at a predetermined location by looking at the condition of the rice stalk showing symptoms of an attack and indicated as symptoms of brown planthopper attack. This observation was carried out once a week and started from plants aged 1 week after plant until 5 weeks after plant. The monitoring of brown planhoppers by calculating the rate of immigration and using light traps. First, record the peak time of the immigrant population with the following data. Early immigrants are generation 0, then 25 till 30 days later, they will become imago of the first generation of brown planhoppers. At 25 till 30 days later, it will become a second generation brown planthopper imago. At 25 till 30 days later, will become imago brown planthopper third generation.
Monitoring. Second, installing a light trap. The first planthopper to come to the nursery or planting is the female or female Macroptera planthopper immigrant. Install light traps as a tool to determine when the arrival of the immigrant planthopper. This tool is important for detecting the presence of immigrant leafhoppers and can catch a large number of leafhoppers. The trap lights are installed at a height of 150 till 250 centimeters from the ground. The catch with 100-watt lamps can reach 100,000 fish per night. The monitoring of brown planthopper must be carried out intensively and routinely. The observation period is at least once every 3 days. If there are planthopper symptoms, the population is immediately count. If the population per clump is 7 till 9, immediately control with biological or chemical pesticide. Thanks for your attention. If you have any question, you can ask in the SPADA forum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.